Hello everyone, today we will learn how to use SerpWe. First, we will learn how to do keyword research on SerpWe. Keyword discovery does not use your credits. So first we go to Discovery, either from the side of the dashboard or at the bottom left. Then you enter the seed keyword, which is the main keyword that you wish to write about. In our case, let's use best mountain bikes. You can also write multiple keywords separated by commas. Then select the country you wish to target, the search engine you wish to use, and the preferred language of your keywords. Simply name your project afterwards, and you're good to go. There are a couple of additional advanced options which include fetching the search volume and fetching data from the Bing search engine as well. Once you have covered everything, click on Find Keywords, and you shall have the list of the keywords in the next 1 to 2 minutes. We use about 1,000 identifiers to fetch the keywords related to your seed, keywords from Google Autocomplete in real time. Once the keyword discovery is finished, you can find your project at the bottom of the discovery page. Then click on your project, and SerpWe will do an AI analysis and distribute the keywords in different categories. Now we will move to keyword clustering. Once you have your keywords, simply checkmark the keywords you wish to write with and click on the button that says Cluster. This is where your credits come into play. Each keyword will equate to 1 credit when you choose to cluster your keywords, so in this example we will choose 100 keywords, which will consume 100 credits for clustering. We click on Submit, and SerpWe starts processing our clustering request. This process should also take up to a couple of minutes. You can wait for the clusters to appear, or simply click Refresh. And there, you have your clusters ready. Under the Clusters tab, you have 2 types of clusters: all clusters and topical clusters. Let's first understand all clusters. So, in the clusters you see, under the All Clusters tab, SerpWe has grouped all the keywords that can be used in one article, while keeping the keyword with the highest volume as the main keyword. This will help you understand which keywords should be used together. Then comes topical clusters. Topical clusters are groups of web pages used to establish authority around a particular subject, particularly in the eyes of search engines. Under this tab, SerpWe will create clusters of the topics that can be interlinked to give authority to a certain topic. It keeps the topic with the highest volume as the main topic, followed by other topics which can be used to give authority to the first topic. Although, you can choose to have any topic out of the topical cluster as your main topic. And that's how you use SerpWe for keyword discovery and clustering. Simple, isn't it?